Hi. In this session, I would like to explain you contracting as one of TA concept. Contracting is an important concept that enables us to arrange contract between people in okay life position. Yeah, yeah, position. In 1966, Eric Berne defined contract in that way. Contract is a bilateral agreement to a well-defined course of action. That means that contract is agreement between you and your client to a defined course of action and achievable sensory-based outcomes. For example, if you are a teacher, it contract is between you and your students, and it contains all aims and arrangements about learning and teaching. All things what students and you need from process of learning. There are three levels of contract: administrative, professional, and last and not least, psychological. The administrative level of contract fulfills our hunger for structure. In this part of the contract, we solve administrative things of our work. For example, how long the teaching or learning is going to be, how often we are going to have breaks, how long these breaks are, what homework means, or how the homework should be done. The professional level of contract satisfies our hunger for stimulation. This part of contract aims on our goals of teaching and learning. For example, what outcome the learning process has to have for teacher and for the students, how this teacher will teach, how the students need to learn, what topic in curriculum are important for students or for teacher or for the final examination. Psychological level of contract fulfills our hunger for recognition. It is often labeled as hidden or secret part of contract. It often includes the dynamics between teacher and students, or what type of stroke students need, description of important types of feedback that is important for students or the teacher, uh, or what the students are afraid of, what type of students' behavior is preferred by teacher, and so on. Also, here are four Steiner's requirements for making a good contract. The first is mutual consent. The second is valid consideration. Third is competency, and four is lawful object. Mutual consent means that the both sides have to agree with making contract. Valid consideration means that all financial requests are solved on both sides, or both sides agree with another revert to work. The third, competency, means that you and your client have to be competent to understanding and fulfilling all parts of the contract. And fourth, lawful object, means that the aims and condition of contract must be in conformity with local law. This is basic theory of contract, and in the next video I would like to show you three current contract.